I'm just gonna go over everything in this kit real quick. You get a tripod for the lens kit to take still photos. Lets you have better accuracy if you can have a way to keep the camera really still, and you can attach the tripod here or on this side so you can get different kind of angles. And so you don't have to touch your phone to take the photo. You can set it up on the tripod and get it all set perfect, and then you can connect this remote to your phone via Bluetooth, and it comes with a little manual on how to connect it. The kit comes with a cloth to keep the lenses clean, and there's two kinds of clips. Now it comes with two kinds of clips. One clip right here, it's for all of the little lenses, and this big clip right here, it's for the really big lens, this lens. So I'm just gonna go over each of the different kind of lenses. This one right here, it's a 20 times telephone lens. It magnifies up. It magnifies 20 times, so it takes really far away photos, and I've taken a couple photos with it so far, and I'm pretty impressed. There is this lens right here. It's 2-in-1. Now there is the macro lens, and attached to it is the wide angle lens. Now to take a wide angle photo, you use both of them combined, and to take a macro photo, you just unscrew it. If I wanted to take a macro photo, I would take the lens, and I would unscrew the macro lens, take the cap off, and then you just screw it in this clip here, and you clip it to your phone, and then you can take the photo. Now when you're done with the lenses, and with this one, the macro, you just put them back together. Now each lens comes with a back protector to protect the lens. This one screws on, and a cap to put over the lens to protect it. So if you see, keeps dirt out of it and prevents it from getting scratched and stuff. Now the other lenses in the kit, there's a fisheye lens. And there is a starburst lens. They are all labeled, if you can see. So we went over the macro and the wide angle lens. The other lenses are the fisheye lens, and there's the starburst lens, and then there's the kaleidoscope lens. There is a CPL lens and a 2 times magnification lens right here. So, and then the 20 times. So the kit comes with a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different lenses the kit comes with. So you get the 8 lenses, you get 2 clips, cloth to clean the lenses, a remote, and a tripod. And you also get a manual, a little piece of paper that goes over the different lenses, and a case to carry it in. So you open this up, and this carries everything. And these were what the lenses came in. This one was for the macro lens and the wide angle, and this was for all the other little lenses, and this just sat in the case. But that's the entire kit that I got. I got it off of Amazon for about $50. If I have used the kaleidoscope lens so far, I've used this lens, I have used the macro lens. So that's the entire kit. I am having lots of fun using the different lenses. It allows my iPhone to take different photos than it normally would be able to take. I have been able to take some incredible macro shots, and I'm having a lot of fun with the macro lens. Me and the kids have been just trying to see what we can see on different things that are really, really small. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you an idea of what this kit is capable of. And if you're interested in this kit, I will show it right here in the video so you can find it on Amazon and order it yourself. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.